Welcome to another Crafternoon to Go project from Westerly Library in Wilcox Park. This week is the third project in our special Handmade holiday series. We're making yarn bird ornaments. If you received a kit, you should have almost everything you need to complete the project. Each kit comes with 4 colors of yarn, jewelry wire, glue, 1 pom-pom, a felt beak, and 2 different options for eyes. You have 2 black beads or 2 jewels. In addition to the items in your kit, you will also need a small pair of pliers or wire cutters, scissors, and if you have a glue gun, it'll make the project faster and easier for you, but it's not necessary. Now that you have everything you need, let's get started. Your yarn is pre-measured and cut. To do this, we wrapped a 12 centimeter and 2 10 centimeter lengths of cardboard with yarn until they were about an inch thick. Then we cut one side to make a bunch of strands. Your first step is to remove the ties from your groups of yarn and set them to the side for now. Line them up so that the ends are roughly even. We'll refer to these by number from now on. Number 1, the darkest, is the bird's back. Number 2 is the belly. And number 3, which are mixed colors, are the wings. Second step is to reserve one piece of yarn from the mixed color group for later. Mix the strands for group number 3 together and tie them tightly in the middle. Lay group number 1 down flat and place group number 2 across it to form a cross. Next, fold the ends of each color over in half. Then tie them off with your extra pieces of yarn. Place group number 3 on top in the middle to form another cross. Now place your pom-pom on top of these in the center of the cross. Next, fold the back, which is the darkest strands, up around the pom-pom, then the body. Hold them securely with your thumb and forefinger. Finally, fold your wings, group 3, back to meet the rest of the yarn. Again, hold them tightly and then tie them all together with your extra piece of yarn. Now you can trim the ends of the yarn so that they're neat and even. Our next step is to add our beak. Dip the beak in the glue and adhere it to the front of your bird. The birds will vary in sizes, so you'll choose the eyes that are the best size for your bird. Decide whether you prefer the jewel or the bead, and then glue it into place. Now it's time to make our legs. These are a bit tricky, but they don't need to be perfect. Start by bending the wire 3 or 4 times, as pictured. Use your pliers to bend the wire tighter and form talons. Then wrap the end of the wire together for the leg. Hook the ends of the wire into the yarn on the bottom of the bird. If you have a glue gun, you can also glue them in place. And with that, you are done. I hope that you've enjoyed this Crafternoon to Go. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to reach out to us. You can email reference@westerlylibrary.org or call us at 401-596-2877, extension 306.